What's up YouTube, I'm Giancarlo, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Fitbit Inspire. Stay tuned. The Fitbit Inspire is one of the basic Fitbits you can get at Fitbit's website. It currently retails for $69.95, and depending where you get it or if it's a holiday, the prices can vary. Don't get the Fitbit Inspire and the Fitbit Inspire HR confused. The Fitbit Inspire HR has a heart rate monitor, while the Fitbit Inspire does not, and the Fitbit Inspire HR has more features to it. But other than that, they're basically the same thing. So I've been wearing the Fitbit Inspire for about a few days now, and it's really lightweight. You know, funny thing is, actually, I already scratched it. I was fixing something. So on the package, it says the Fitbit Inspire is able to track steps, distance, and calories burned. It is swim-proof. It has Smart Track automatic exercise tracking, basic sleep tracking, smartphone notifications, interchangeable bands, and up to 5 days worth of battery life. There's nothing really much from the package. It just comes with a larger wristband, the Fitbit charger, and the Fitbit itself, and the band that comes with it. And this is a small one. So charging the Fitbit is really simple. You get your Fitbit charger that comes from the package, and there's golden pins here. And on the back of the Fitbit, there's golden indentations back there. Simply connect it. It's magnetic too, just like that. And you just get your socket and charge it. So once you get the Fitbit, you do need to set it up. And to set it up, you need to download the Fitbit app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And that takes a while. I think for me to finish setting up the Fitbit, it took maybe about half an hour or so. But after that, that's really all you need to do. So here's the Fitbit. And to have the display pop up, you can just tilt it. There you go, like that. Or you can press the button, or you can tap it. So the main screen is gonna be your time. And if you scroll down, let me clear that up. You're gonna see the things that it's tracking. So it's tracking your steps, the calories burned, your active minutes, the distance you walked or ran, and then your hourly activity, your exercise tracker, how much sleep you've had, and then you could also log your how much you're drinking in fluid ounces, and then it also tells you your weight. And to put your logs in, or to access all of this, is from the Fitbit app. So that has all your information to what your Fitbit has been tracking. And then back to the main screen, if you scroll up, you can have a timer on your Fitbit. And then you can set an alarm on your Fitbit, and then also your settings. And what's in the settings is only one option, that's to just clear your user data. And down here is just the software that your Fitbit is on, or the version. And then if you tap the button, it brings you back. And if you tap it all the way, it brings you back to the main screen. And also, this is what the smartphone notification looks like. Overall, the Fitbit Inspire is a great fitness tracker to have. I wear it every day. I wear it when I go to sleep, when I shower, when I go work out. And like I said before, the battery is up to 5 days, which is amazing. And I think the thing I forgot to mention is how smooth like the transition is, like moving it up and down. I find that really great compared to the cheaper fitness trackers out there. I don't really have negative to say about the Fitbit Inspire. I mean, I did scratch it, so it doesn't really have the best, I guess, material, like a scratch resistant material. But other than that, this is a great product to have. This is really meant for people that like to stay fit and like to track, the daily lifestyle when working out or just trying to be healthy. The favorite thing I like that it keeps track of is how many calories I burn and how many hours of sleep I get every night. So that's it for the review. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to check out my other videos also. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.